how to fix payment revision needed on Amazon. So I got this issue for my latest orders and I'm gonna explain how I fixed it. If I went into my orders, then it basically just showed that a payment revision was needed. I got this error because I had exceeded the limit of my debit card. So basically make sure you don't exceed your debit card limit. I'm going to show you another fix by the way as well. So basically what I did was I just waited for the new date to hit and I didn't have to do anything else. It just automatically took the payment out of my card. But if that's not the issue you are facing, then what you want to do is click on your name account here and then you will go into payments. So go to your payments and right here you want to either add a new payment method and use a different card, or you want to click on edit and just make sure that all of your card information is correct. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.